Good morning! So I decided to vlog my day last minute today. I'm already late for my appointment, so let's just take it to the car and we'll talk in there.
My little errand outfit.
Okay, I'm leaving the house right now and we're about to go to our first task of the day, which is a V-steam, which is basically a little natural facial situation for your hoo-ha. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. My appointment starts in literally 25 minutes. The place is only a 10-minute drive from me. It's in Santa Monica, but I'm starving, so I think I'm gonna stop at Jack in the Box first. This Jack in the Box is literally never busy, and today all of a sudden they want to have 3 cars in front of me. Always happens when you're running late.
Sorry, what am I gonna get for you today?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Could I get the supreme croissant?
You want combo?
Oh, do I do the combo or the sandwich? Let's do the combo.
Combo, right?
Yes.
689, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you? 689?
Thank you. You too. All right, let's get out of here. Combo was a great idea. I was actually supposed to go to the gym this morning and I didn't. Try again tomorrow. Oh my god, I'm parked next to a cop. I get nervous every time. Are you allowed to eat and drive? Okay. And this is one of those red lights you can turn right on. And I'm even more nervous because I don't know why. Oh my god. Oh no! I got the wrong sandwich! I was supposed to get the one with the sausage. Oh my god! I guess. All right, well, let's get to this appointment. I have 12 minutes to make it there. It is what it is, as long as I get there. It's 10:33. My appointment was for 10:30. I mean, I'm not late, but I'm not early either. So, oh well. Making my way downtown. The spa provides you with the towel, the steam robe, a sarong, some slides, a locker to place all your things in with a personal code you can create. And you guys, look how long this robe is. It literally goes from the top to the floor. But let's get to the steam.
Is this music soothing? It looks like a toilet, but it's not. There's a steam pot inside. This is how you sit on it, ha 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 ha.
This is my second time coming here to this specific place, but this is my 3rd V-steam ever. And I really liked it here. So she's like, there's charcoal all on the roof, as you can see. I'm just like, yes. And she's like, she does it mainly for mental and physical relief. So yeah, I'm here. I'm about to sit here for like 30 minutes. This is what I look like. That's what it looks like. And yeah, let's get it.
It was relaxing in the moment, but it's funny as hell watching it now. This is awkward, hee hee.
So my feet are perched up on this thing that has heat coming through it through the holes, and it actually gets very hot. That's why you have the towels on top of the feet holes. And the skirt is so long because it basically covers the entire contraption to keep the heat and the steam from escaping. Also have this remote right here that controls the heat. So if I want higher heat, I just go up. If I want less heat, I just go down. Yeah, pretty much just the vibes. Okay, so we have this, and it's basically just telling you what a V-steam is and the benefits. It's basically a detox, rejuvenation, or cleanse. It's been used in like Korea for hundreds of years and used as like Chinese royalty. So I'm gonna just read off some of the benefits really quickly for you guys. The most important thing is you cannot be pregnant or on your monthly cycle when you do this. So some of the benefits include, I need my glasses, child. I'm just gonna read right off of this. So it stimulates the production of hormones to maintain uterine health, protects the uterus from ulcers and tumors, soothes while strengthening the nervous system, stimulates menstrual discharges and aids in regulating menstrual cycle, helps the production of milk for new mothers, eases fatigues, headaches, abdominal discomfort, and nausea, lessens the effects of renal calculi, rheumatism, arthritis, and gout, helps fight infections, kills intestinal worms, helps correct digestive disorders, warms the body, and helps with circulation, hemorrhoid discomfort. So I don't have any of those things, but the first time I did it, I went to a spa with like 3 of my friends, and it was 4 of us. They had a special. We were like, okay, let's try it. Neither of us had ever done it, and we did it, and I just enjoyed the experience, honestly. So I was like, I'm gonna do this again. But I did feel like just more relaxed. I had less cramps. I will say that I cramp a lot and have really bad cramps, so I had less cramps. And yeah, I have a friend who's done this. She says when she's done it, she feels less pain during sexual intercourse, if you're someone who feels pain. But it's just a fun little experience. It's all natural, so it's not going to throw off your pH or anything like that. But I'm about to center myself, okay? So goodbye.
Disclaimer, I'm not a doctor and this isn't medical advice, so take that up with your medical advisor, sweetie.
So I'm in the hot tub right now. I told the lady, I was like, oh my god, I always forget to bring my bathing suit because any service you do here, you can use their spa for free. And she's like, girl, just go in naked. I'll do it all the time. Everyone does it naked all the time. So guess what, y'all? I'm in here naked. But I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the time and try not to record because, you know, it's just, I don't want to make anyone uncomfortable. It's just me right now, so I'm trying only to record when it's just me. So I'm gonna go, and I'll see you guys later. So I spent a good amount of time in the hot tub, and then I went into some other spas, like their salt room, their clay room, the dry sauna, as well as the steam sauna, which I was in there for a really long time. To head out of here. I'm gonna hop in and take a nice little shower, rinse off, and go about the rest of my day. I'm all done with the steam. Had such a relaxing time. I kind of just want to sleep for the rest of the day, but I'm also hanging out with my Instagram bestie. So we've actually never hung out before, but like we're like talk on Instagram all the time. Like we're the same person, so I'm super excited about it to like meet her. Well, I've met her like once before in real life, but I'm super excited to just hang out, see if we really vibe in person, because we vibe on the gram all day every day, so that should be fun. So yeah, I'm gonna head home, shower, even though I already like kind of rinsed off in there because I forgot about like the additional free service. I didn't bring like my personal shower stuff, so I feel like I need like an actual real shower, even though like I was in there. I need like a shower I like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's head home. I just decided that I really want a bandana. I feel like wearing a bandana today. So our next stop before we go home is actually going to be the beauty supply store so I can get a bandana. Don't ask. I already have a bandana, but I want a purple bandana. That's the vibe I'm feeling today. I don't know if they're gonna have a purple one, like the light purple, like a lilac. I don't know if they're gonna have that, but we're gonna try. It's gonna take me about 20 minutes to get there from here. And then I'll head home. Actually, I should probably go to the bank because I need to pay rent. And it's so annoying because for my apartment, you physically have to go to the bank to pay rent, which I hate. Like, we're in 2021. Why do I need to go to the bank to pay my rent? Like, they don't offer any online options. Like, it's the most annoying thing. So it's just inconvenient. I would have wanted one a little bit lighter than this, but this will work. Look at all these bandanas. I think I'm gonna get a black one too, actually. Orange might be cute for the summertime. All right, so I'm gonna get these 3. I just got to the bank and I can see that there's a line that goes till outside, and I just don't have the patience for that right now. Nope. Bye. I don't understand why they don't do online payments. Like, easy peasy, just schedule it. Like, auto payments, just take it out of my account. Like, I don't like having to, it's just so unnecessary. So I'm going to try the post office because they accept cashier's checks from the post office as well. So I'm gonna go there now because I don't feel like standing in that long line. So it's 2:15. I'm supposed to be meeting my IG bestie. Oh, that name tickles me at like 3:30, but we already pushed it back to 4. So let's see what this line is looking like, because I still need to go home, get dressed, drop off this check before I do all of that. So here we are.
I mean, I'd rather be in this one than the bank one.
All right, we're out of the post office. Definitely didn't take as long as it would at the bank, so that's cool. Don't bother me about this till next month. Now it's time to get ready and go. So I'm home now, but I am exhausted. It's like 2:30. I literally have to leave the house in an hour, or sometime between 3:30 and 3:45 to get there no later than 4. I'm exhausted, so I literally have an hour to take like a 5-minute nap, shower, and get cute and leave. I don't know if I could do it in an hour, but we gonna see.
Y'all, I was so tired I literally set a 5-minute alarm for a nap.
So I put a question box for anyone who had questions while I was doing the steam, and I'm just gonna answer them really quickly while I finish getting ready. So one question was basically, how long does it take? It takes about 30 minutes, and that's it. Someone else, oh, I need to get my eyebrows done. Lord. Someone else asked, how often should you do it? The lady said once a month. I'm not gonna do it once a month. This was literally my 3rd time doing it in 3 years, 2.5 to 3 years. So I wouldn't do it once a month. I mean, I don't intend to do it once a month. I think that's just wasting money. But if you're into it and if you enjoy it and if you want that relaxation, then go for it. A lot of people asked, the number one question for the most part was, what are the benefits? And I named them earlier, all the benefits, so you could just, rewind real quick to catch the benefits. The lady says she does it all the time for mental and physical exhaustion, just to, de-stress, unwind, and yeah, so that's what it is. I'm trying to decide if I should wear actual lashes or not, but I don't feel like putting lashes on. I almost always cry every time I put lashes on. Gives me anxiety. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I don't even really have time to show my outfit because I'm running behind time, but I decided not to go with the bandana and just did like a headscarf instead. But we gotta go. But I also have my Brandon Blackwood purse. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm about to go hang out with my Instagram bestie. I'm hoping we vibe just as well in real life, but I'm also like, what if she's a killer? So I'm letting you guys know just in case she's a killer, and then she's gonna see this and she's not gonna kill me, at least not today. Finally on the way, and I'm so late. It's actually so embarrassing. But then she texted me and she's running a little bit late as well, so we're all good. But what I'm really excited about is like we were trying to figure out which places to go to, and we're looking up all these like fancy, not fancy but like LA type places, and we both like Cheesecake Factory, so that's what we settled on. Like, let's do Cheesecake Factory. If that works for you, that works for me, and that's already starting the day off to a great start. I think I'm lost. She said when you get out the elevator, take a left and it's right there. I did that, but it wasn't there. Okay, let's look at the directory. What does that mean?
I can't believe I was really lost. I'd never been to the Grove before.
Okay, you guys, after struggling to find the Cheesecake Factory for a minute, I eventually found it, met up with my IG bestie. She was already there waiting for me because I was late, but I was ready to eat. We ordered almost all the appetizers on the menu for variety and share them. That's my kind of gal. And you guys, we literally slipped into conversation like we've been friends for years. And we were there for almost 3 hours just chit-chatting. Hey guys!
I do exist.
This is Shar, my Instagram bestie. We just met up and had some food and drinks, and I will say we definitely vibe in person.
Definitely vibe in person. I was about to have to.
I thought she was gonna kill
I'm not
me.
available anymore after this day, but no, I love her.
I know, so we're definitely gonna do this again.
Yes, definitely.
And yeah, so stay tuned. Oh, check out her lash bar, Selfie by SK. You can get your lashes done, microblading. Let them know what they can do.
All of it. They can do lashes. We do permanent makeup for brows, like ombre powder brows,
Yes.
waxing, and we also sell lash strips. So if you're interested in just the strips, we have that online as well. So check us out.
Yes, check her out. Okay. It's a wrap. I'm heading back home. It was so much fun. Glad we finally got to see each other in person. My scarf is falling off a little bit, but it was great. I have some leftovers. It is lit. Just got back to some packages. Yay! This is, I think, stuff that I ordered to redo my kitchen, so I'll be showing you guys all of that. So overall, today was so fun and amazing. I feel like I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight, but I do want to show you one thing I got before we wrap up this vlog. But take a look at this light switch cover I got. It's so genius for the bathroom. Okay, so this is it. Don't mind my nails. We're in a panoramic, but I love this light switch cover. I'm gonna need to figure out what to do. I did get 2 of these, but I don't think both of them will fit. Like there's not enough space on the other side, so I'm gonna need to figure that out. But look at that. Once you like screw it in and stuff, you just turn it on and off. I love this so much. I will link this and everything else that's linkable below. Good night.